guys, it's me Stace. Today we're using our Silhouette Cameo machine to make this really cute egg display box. How fun is that? Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Here we are at the computer. I already have the Silhouette Studio software opened. Now to get to my designs, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and click on where it says Library. This will bring up all of my files. On the left I have all these folders. I'm going to go to the one I labeled Videos to find the project we're making, which is right here. I'm going to click on that little square. You can see it is a Peekaboo Bunny 3-hole Easter egg display box. It is by Suzanne Cannon. The design ID number is 402289. This is also a Lori Whitlock file or available on her website. I will have that link below as well. All right, to bring this design to our work area, just go ahead and double click on it and you'll see all the pieces here. Now I'm going to ungroup it. This piece is for the box. This piece is for the top. Then we have this part. Then we have this part. I believe these three things here, the little flowers and the eyes, I believe they're set to be a print and cut. I chose to not do it that way and just cut each flower out itself, but you can certainly do the print and cut if you want to. So I'm going to bring all this down here and then just rearrange things on my mat to send them over to the Cameo. So I'll put a piece of cardstock here and a piece of pattern paper here, cut those out, come back and remove those off my mat, and then do the same with this pink piece of pink cardstock, and then also a piece of white cardstock. I'll cut those out, come back, move them out of my way, and then I'll grab each one of these little flowers and put them on my mat as well. Bring that one down here. Then we have the two eyes. And this little white flower here, I would cut that out with my white piece. I'm going to go ahead and cut everything out, go to the table, and we'll put the display box together. Alright guys, everything is cut out. We're first going to work with the box. So go ahead and fold all those square marks. And just give it a little crease. It's a really simple box to put together. Okay, before I assemble the box, I do want to put my paper on the front. I'm going to use my art glitter glue for that, just so I have a little bit of wiggle room. Okay. There we go, super cute. All right, now we're going to go ahead and assemble. So I'm going to put glue on the flaps. And I want to go edge to edge here. And I already went ahead and put my flowers on the orange piece, just to save some time. And as I said, I believe that was designed to be a print and cut, but I didn't do that. So you can of course print it out or you can cut it out. So you can see there's no bottom on the box. Okay, so there's our box. All right, now we have the bunny. Let's go ahead and adhere him all together. And the cardstock I used here is Paper Tray Ink Plum Pudding, and this is Paper Tray Ink Lovely Lady, and the paper is also Paper Tray Ink, and that is from Egg Hunt, in case you were curious about that. All right, so we have that. Let's go ahead and do his feet. This would be fun to display on a desk with little eggs in them. Yep. And I do have a card kit for this as well. Alright, let's go ahead and put his hands on. I believe they go like that. So you would think they would go rounded. They don't. They kind of go like that. So it looks like he's grabbing onto it. Okay, so there's one hand. And then we have the other one on this side. So cute. Alright, now he gets glued behind the box. You can see he's kind of holding an Easter egg. So we're going to go ahead and put some glue just on a little bit of him. And just get in the middle there. Make sure it's even on the back. Okay, and his feet get glued on the front. Trying to, I want to pop them up. Nope, I'm going to leave them flat. So one's going to go right there. And right there. I think the bunny feet are absolutely adorable. Alright, now we have this piece. And this doesn't really fit on any certain way because these are leaves behind it. And I think I might want to pop those up. But before I do that, I do want to add some gems to it. Just to the inside of these little flowers. So I'm going to grab one of these guys. And I'm going to put one on the center of each one. Just to give it some dimension a little bit. And these I got from HSN. These are the diamond press. I'll show you them in a minute. Alright, and then this one right here. Just to give the flowers a little bit of life. And I think I'm going to pop those up. I have some skinny foam squares here. Maybe one more in the middle, and then maybe on this end right there. Okay, I'm going to give all that a squish, take the backing off. So yeah, as I said, these came from HSN. They're diamond press. These things is like a bulk of gems. Really cute. Alright, so you can take this. That's going to go there. And then we're going to glue that on our bunny. Right up here. Now for his eyes. I did cut the eyes out, but I didn't like them, so I'm going to go ahead and use googly eyes. But in your kit, I do include the rhinestones, I do include the googly eyes, as well as the black cardstock eyes, so you can pick whatever one you want to do. And to win the card kit, just leave me a comment below with an Easter egg. An Easter egg emoji. I'm going to squish all that in there so you can't see it. And then just put one eye right there. And then we'll do the other eye. I'm just using this double-sided tape just to make sure the eyes are on there nice and good. Okay. I'll put the other eye on. Oh my gosh, look how cute, right? Alright, so I have these little plastic eggs from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so they just go in there like that, and it holds up your It's hard to do it on here, but you'll see it on my blog. But it holds these little eggs there. Isn't that cute? Super fun. Alright, so there is the project for today using the Cameo, and then again here is the card kit. It includes all the pieces. You can see the googly eyes are there as well as the rhinestones. But again, to win the card kit, just leave me a comment below with an Easter egg emoji, and I will pick a winner. And how I notify you guys is I comment back. So I like you'll usually get an email that it says Stace Christ likes your comment. That way you know I liked your comment, but I reply back to your comment. I'll just say, you know, hey, you're the winner of the card kit, leave me, you know, drop me an email, and I'll give you guys my email address. That's how I notify the card kit winners. Anyway, there you have it, today's project, this one here. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.